In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a link, insert a link that leads to another design that you made in Canva Sheets. So to insert this link, just click on any cell you want this link to appear in, and then hit slash on your keyboard, then click on or type in link in the search bar, and then click on link. So now you'll see this drop down or dialog box, and then you'll see here your recents. You can also search your design by searching in the search box right here. So I'm going to use sandbox, for example, and then as you can see, it pops up after a few seconds, and then just hit sandbox and or your name of the design, and as you can see, it makes a link that leads to this design. So we can just click on the link here, and it leads to this design that I made. And that's how you can insert a link in Canva Sheets that leads to another design you made. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.